and welcome to the garden. Let's begin. So I would like to show you Lycoris squamigera flowering, and this is a weird one because it has a bud inside already in a flower. We had very warm June, and you can see that there are still buds coming up, so there will be more flowers. And I was able to dig all my alliums, so I'm quite happy about it. Guys, also have a couple of tulips, but never mind that. The last flower of Lilium henryi, and seed pods are coming along nicely. The perennial alliums are okay. This one is sugar melt, and of course I need to weed. I always have to weed. And what's this? This one is serendipity, so it's a nice one. The last of the Aurelians, and oh, this is a very nice black heart. In orbit, millennium, and this is summer beauty, and this is tuberosum, and the lovely Collection Venus flytrap opened. The very last flowers of this lovely Aurelian, and you can see I have good seed pods and bad seed pods. Oof. And I think I will discard the top of the fasciated stem. Lots of seeds, fortunately. Still the last flowers of Laverne Freeman. And Black Beauty. And the lovely Carpino is in flower. The Gladiolus, Tigridia pavonia, and this is Tetraote from Guntis Ramune. It's nice, I like it. And of course I have to do a little weeding as always, or a little more than I would like. I will water my plants today, and because of the winds the canal is not really straight up, so I have to correct and deadhead them. Just a very quick deadheading, and we're ready. There's an aloe hybrid soon to be in flower. The Orientals, the end of the Orientals, and of course the weeds are always growing. So it's a never-ending job in the summer. When I have this lovely Fragaria, and Aconitum is also in flower. So nice. Speciosum varietas rubrum Uchida, the last Oriental to flower. Oh, and I have walls, I believe. That's not great. So the Uchidas are in bloom. Last of the rose lilies with severe petal burn, which is not great, but we have very high UV radiation, and this is how Orientals react. More canna to that head. Oh, I have to come back to weed also, so I will deal with the canna later. Oh. But I got the Caladium sprouting at last. So, and I have to repot my Zonthadecia aethiopica. Lovely Polar Star. It's a smaller flowered cultivar, and it looks best in full shade in Hungary. So, ooh, and I have to deal with the basil. So, and I got a gladiolus in a tub. Still have to see if the ever-bearing strawberries have anything, and they do, so I have to come back and harvest them. And I have to rearrange these tubs. Oh, and I got this Delosperma from seed. It's a lovely one. And I also get this Eryngium from seed. Also nice. And within 2 or 3 weeks, the first pods of the American hybrids will be good. Maybe sooner. So nothing more, no more lilies, just these last ones. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.